In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill a sum formula down a column in Excel or Google Sheets. Imagine you have a simple sum table, rows of numbers for each item, and a formula in the first row that adds that row's numbers together. You want that same calculation applied to every row below without typing the formula over and over. That's exactly what we're doing here, and it takes just a couple of clicks. First, make sure your sheet already has the formula in one cell. This is the box that does the calculation you want to repeat. For example, if your data runs from column B to column E, you might see something like each sum B2E2 in the formula bar when that cell is selected. If you don't see an equal sign at the start, it's not a formula yet, so type the formula you need in that first row. Once that's in place, click the cell that contains the working formula so it's highlighted. Now look closely at that selected cell. In the bottom right corner of the border, you'll see a tiny blue handle, often shown as a small square or circle depending on your app's theme. Move your cursor over that handle. When your cursor changes, double-click that small blue handle. That's it. The program will automatically copy the formula down the column, aligning each new formula with the corresponding row of data. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Double-clicking the fill handle tells the spreadsheet to extend the formula down as far as there's adjacent data in the neighboring column. It stops when it hits a blank row, which helps prevent the formula from running past your actual table. As it fills, the cell references adjust automatically. So a formula like SUM B2E2 becomes SCUM B3E3. Then SCUM B4E4, and so on. No extra work needed. After the fill completes, spot check a few of the new cells by clicking them and glancing at the formula bar to confirm the references changed correctly. If your fill stops sooner than expected, it usually means the adjacent column has a gap, a blank row, or a different data type that breaks the contiguous range. Keeping a clean, continuous data region next to your formulas gives you the smoothest results. And that's the whole process. Click the cell with the formula you want, then double-click the small blue handle to fill it down instantly. It's a quick, reliable way to apply a sum across an entire table without manual copying, and it keeps your sheet consistent and error-free.